Task number 3, types of incidents, is part of the incident response fundamentals room inside cybersecurity 101 learning path. People usually label every harmful activity associated with the digital world as a hacking attempt. This may be correct, but it is very generic in terms of cybersecurity. Security incidents can be of different types. In the above task, we saw an example of a true positive alert, which became an incident after the analysis of the security team. This incident was related to the phishing email, which probably came with a malicious attachment. If downloaded into the system, this attachment may be harmful. This is one type of incidents. There are several other types of incidents. These types can occur independently or altogether within the same victim. Malware infection, security breaches, data leaks, insider attacks, denial of service attacks. Malware infections is a malicious program that can damage the system, network, or application. The majority of incidents are associated with malware infections. There are different types of malware, each with a unique potential to cause damage. Malware infections are mostly caused by files. That can be text, documents, whatever kind of files, right? The important thing here to note, malware infections are caused by files. You always download or open up a file. Security breaches arise when an unauthorized person gets access to confidential data, something we don't want them to see or have. Security breaches are of the utmost importance as many businesses rely on their confidential data, which must only be accessible to authorized personnel. Data leaks are incidents in which confidential information of an individual or an organization is exposed to unauthorized entities. Many attackers use data leaks for reputational damage of their victims or use these techniques to threat their victims and get what they need from them. Unlike security breaches, data leaks can also be unintentionally caused by human error or misconfigurations. Insider attacks. Incidents from within an organization are known as insider attacks. Think about a disgruntled employee infecting the whole network through a USB on his last day. This is an example of an insider attack. Someone within the organization intentionally imitating an attack comes under this category. These attacks can be hazardous as an insider always has greater access to resources than an outsider, obviously. Denial of service attacks. Availability is one of the 3 pillars of cybersecurity. CIA are the 3 pillars of cybersecurity: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Right, the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Foundational cybersecurity model designed to guide policies for protecting data and systems. Defensive security solutions and people constantly find ways to protect information. They ensure that the data is available to the people simultaneously. This is because there is no point in protecting something that is unavailable to us. Denial of service attacks, or DOS attacks, are incidents where the attack floods a system, network, application with false requests, eventually making it unavailable to legitimate users. This happens due to the exhaustion of resources available to entertain the request. All these incidents have their unique potential to impact the victims negatively. These incidents cannot be compared in terms of the severity of the incident they create. This is because a particular incident can be disastrous for one organization while it can cause minor damage to another. For example, XYZ Corp may not be heavily impacted by a data leak, as the information it stores can be useful to anyone else. However, it can undergo a massive loss in case of a denial of service attack on its primary website, as its service depends on that website. Answer the questions below. A user's system got compromised after downloading a file attachment from an email. What type of incident this is? Malware infection. What type of incident aims to disrupt the availability of an application? Denial of service.